Hi, and welcome back to Dr. KJ's Age to Perfection. Today I'm going to be going over how to do a home do-it-yourself papaya, pineapple, and honey enzyme mask. I got this from an esthetician I watched on YouTube, Lisa Priscilla. I'll have her link below. And it looked really, really good. It sounded great. It made sense. And so I want to share with you this papaya enzyme honey mask. So first, I'm going to talk to you about papaya. Papaya is a great product. This is about how much I'll be using. It has natural antioxidants. It has enzymes in it that can break down the little keratin and other things in your follicles and your skin so that your skin will have a nice healthy glow. It helps with hyperpigmentation. It helps with acne. Helps with anti-aging, those antioxidants. And then where's the pineapple in it? The pineapple has lots of vitamin C. It's a great antioxidant. A lot of products have pineapple in it, so I knew that this would work well too. And then the last ingredient was honey. Honey, I've used honey products before. I talk about honey. It's used in wound healing. People who have really bad ulcers have products that have honey infused in them because honey is a great moisturizer. It keeps that moisture barrier safe. It's an antiseptic, antibacterial agent, so bacteria causing agents that can cause pimples. This is great for it. I love honey containing products, great for aging, great for hydration. So I really wanted to try the smoothie. Everything about it made sense. So what you do is you take papaya. I used about this much papaya. Get your local grocery store. I didn't actually use the seeds. I used pineapple. I used about this much pineapple. I took out the hard part in the middle before I blended it. And I used about a tablespoon of honey, and I just used some local grown, not grown, but some locally produced honey from where I live. I take that, I blend it until about this consistency. Okay, you can use any type of blender. I had a Vitamix, so I actually ended up having to put a little bit more. But if I had like a Magic Bullet or one of those other blenders, you could use just the amount that I showed you because that's the amount that is actually gonna go on your face, okay? So this morning I have simply just washed my face. I didn't put anything else on it, I just washed it. And now I'm gonna apply my mask. It's just gonna be a thin layer to the skin. I'm just gonna rub it in. Just a nice thin layer all over my skin. I will say you should patch test this first to make sure that you're not allergic to any of the ingredients. And of course, if you are allergic to honey, papaya, or pineapple, don't use this because you don't need to have an allergic reaction on your face. It's not worth it to try it. Use something else. But it is a good idea to probably patch test this if you haven't used it before. Now, as I let this sit on my skin, I'm gonna start to feel some tingling. And that's just like the papaya and all those enzymes breaking down those dead skin. It shows it's working. Enzymes pills are great. Not pills, but enzyme masks are great. I'll leave this on for about 20 minutes. Let it do its job, and I'll just kind of sit back and relax as it's on. This is a gentle type of exfoliation. It does exfoliate. The papaya is a great exfoliation. It will help exfoliate some of the dead skin tissues on my skin, so it'll have like nice glowing skin. You can do it once to twice a week. Great way to self-care. You may have these ingredients at home. If not, go out and get them and just use the rest for them for like smoothies or something. Since I have so much, I'll probably call a friend, see if they want to do it too. Share this with them. I'm also wondering if I could freeze it in ice cubes. I'm not sure if the enzymes will hold up, but they should if I freeze them. So I may take this extra, put it in an ice tray, and then freeze it. I'm gonna let this mask sit for 20 minutes, and then I'll be back to let you know how it does. Hi, I'm back. I just finished washing off the papaya enzyme pill. I actually really liked it. It left my skin feeling very smooth and clean. Kind of that feeling like after you get a facial, your skin just feels clean, all the impurities are out. I feel like I could see like buildups of skin that was coming just magically go away. I really like this. I've used papaya enzyme washes before, but it never left my skin feeling this great. I love it. I would recommend this. I would probably do this once to twice a week. I'm gonna take what I had, the leftovers, put them in the freezer, like ice cubes, put them in the freezer and see if that will help them stay and keep their enzyme power. But I really like the results I got from this. Once I rinsed it off, I just washed my face again, did my toner, a quick essence, a serum, just one serum, and then I added a vitamin C moisturizer to kind of just kick in all the other vitamin C that I was getting from this pill, and a sunblock, and I'm ready to go. I really like it. I hope you enjoy it too. Thank you, Lisa Priscilla, for this suggestion. I'm glad I follow you on Instagram, and thanks for watching. If you like the video, press like, leave any comments below, suggestions, anything you want to see. Have a great day.